In this video, we're going to talk about the top 5 investment books. If you're looking to expand your investment knowledge as well as make you smarter with your decisions, then this will be the video for you. Now, whether you're just starting out or you're looking to expand your investing portfolio, these books will give you great insight as well as strategies to help you further your investment goals. Hey, what's up guys? My name is Chase and this is a Penny Pincher's Guide to Personal Finance. If you do like videos like this, then consider subscribing and liking because we'll continue to put out investing tips and tricks as well as great ways to increase your wealth over the long term. But let's jump right into the video. All right, so the number 1 on our list is going to be The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham, and this book has been widely renowned as the Bible of value investing. Now, this book really focuses on analyzing a company for its intrinsic value and determining if they are undervalued to look at them for the long term. Now, this book and its concepts have been utilized by many investors to make a great deal of money, and this one in particular was used by Warren Buffett to build his empire that we know today. All right, so book number 2 is going to be The Millionaire Next Door. This book is awesome because it helps identify and show you the characteristics of the average millionaire and their habits. So the author of this book did do some extensive research to find out that the average millionaire is actually a very frugal person that lives under their means. And after reading this book, I have realized that the average millionaire is not going to be having a bunch of flashy and expensive things out in front of you, and they're not flaunting that they're a millionaire, but a lot of them are frugal and have built that millionaire status by a long period of time, living under their means and eventually attaining it with their smart and sound investing strategies. All right, so the next book is going to be Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and this is a classic in the finance and investing world. So this book really contrasts the thoughts and the opinions compared to his poor dad, which is his biological dad, and his rich dad, which is his friend's dad, and shows the different ideas of buying and using assets to build wealth versus working and trading time for dollars. All right, so I really like this book because it showed me that there were different ways to make money, and if I'm just trading time for money, then eventually I'm going to run out of my time and the money will not come anymore. But if I use assets to start building money and I start investing into assets now, those will continue to build me money once I stop putting in work. It does go in a little bit deeper into that, so I would recommend taking this book, reading it, and really taking it to heart because I do think this is a great option, a great way to start building wealth in the future. Okay, book number 4 is going to be The Little Book of Common Sense Investing. It was written by John C. Bogle, who was the founder of the Vanguard Group. Okay, this book focuses on teaching the idea of investing into these index funds and not trying to beat out the market. He said that if you focus on investing into these low-cost index funds, that over a long period of time, you're going to beat out trying to pick these individual stocks and buying and selling on a regular basis, and you'll make way more money with the funds than doing the individuals. Now, this book is great because it introduces the idea of passive investing. And if you look at a lot of different studies out there comparing big hedge fund managers versus like a total stock market index fund or an index fund in general, most of the time these funds will actually beat out these hedge fund markets, and these active buys and sells don't actually work out in your favor. This is a strategy that I do utilize. I do the passive investing, and I have seen some great benefits from that. So I would highly recommend reading this book, learning about it, and considering incorporating that into your investing portfolio. Okay, the next book on this list is going to be A Random Walk Down Wall Street. Now, this book is a classic in investing, and it tries to argue the fact that trying to buy and sell and time the market is a futile act. It really focuses on trying to not time the market, but to start investing into low-cost index funds and to build that wealth over time. Now, this book offers up a couple different ideas that go in a little bit more in depth into investing. Specifically, it's focusing on the efficient market hypothesis as well as the modern portfolio theory, and wants you to focus on diversifying your portfolio over multiple different index funds so that you can spread out the risk and have a slow increase in your overall wealth with those investment funds. Now, this is a little bit drier read, but it is a good option if you want to identify as well as increase your overall wealth of investing and potentially use this to build your portfolio. So those are my top 5 investing books that I would recommend to help you improve your overall financial knowledge as well as make you smarter into your investment decisions. These books do cover multiple different topics, including a range of topics of value investing as well as investing into personal finance and asset building. Now remember, reading is a way of investing into yourself, and by doing this, it can provide you with valuable insights and strategies to help you achieve your financial goals. Now, if you have any other book recommendations or questions, then feel free to put them down in the comments down below. We're here to help you out. We'll keep putting out more videos just like this. So just remember that we are here from your first penny to your first million. We'll see you next time.